Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to change the color of objects in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Color tab and grab a qualifier tool. Then click on the object you want to recolor. Next, enable the highlight mode to see your selection. Use the add picker to fill any missing area for a cleaner mask. If your section isn't perfect, use the pen tool under the window to manually mask your object for better accuracy. Then track your object through the video. Click track forward and reverse, and DaVinci Resolve will follow it automatically. Click the object again with the picker if needed. Then disable the highlights and adjust the color by modifying the curve points. And that's how you change the color of the objects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.